Many people are wondering if the economy is so bad, why are so many people investing in things like a new Kings Arena, and building so many new housing projects and so many stores and stuff, and why gentrification is going on, where investors are coming into poor neighborhoods and fixing them up, renovating houses, building new stores, and forcing low income people and small businesses out. They're wondering how's this happening when you guys are not willing to pay workers more than 12.50 an hour. There is an old saying that cash is king, but around the world, cash is not really paying much. It doesn't really matter. It's becoming valueless. And developing current countries are currently buying bonds, but because the interest prices are low. But because these interest prices are low, it's not really a good investment. It's a poor investment because when the bond prices decrease, investors will lose money. The best time to buy bonds is when interest rates are high because you'll get a better return. They'll be worth more. Hard assets like housing, they're not really doing that great, because a lot of people can't really afford to buy right now, but investors are still building. So, what is doing well right now? The stock market. The stock market takes cash. A lot of people are investing in the stock market, and that's why it's doing so well. But how long will this growth continue? Because this time of year is usually a volatile time for stocks, but people keep investing in them. So, investors are suspecting at some point these stock prices will start falling because there'll be a massive sell off. The ratio when the technology bubble burst was 148. The housing bubble, when that burst, that was like 109. Stocks are currently at 125.7. However, there is no set price when the stock market bubble will burst. It's just up to investors when they finally want to stop investing and start selling their investments off. That's when it will decline. But who knows when that will happen? It is possible that it could happen soon because of the other ratios that I just told you. We're above one and close to another. So who knows? However, right now is a good time to invest in stocks, but to protect yourself from experiencing a tragic loss or a large loss, diversify and watch the stock market. Pay attention to indicators like growth, job development, and the Dow Jones. Watch those numbers closely because you may or may not want to continue investing if you see the stock market fluctuating downward.